So this is the tutorial for the 4-way Tcherkessia. Now the 4-way Tcherkessia is 4 Tcherkessias, each going in a different direction. Like one goes north, one goes east, one goes south, and then west type of thing. And usually, I'll show you how to do it, but typically this is done with slower songs. At least hopefully. Sometimes the choreographer might have put it, into a fast song, but I don't like to do that because usually when you're doing a circle dance with people, most of them are probably beginners or aren't expecting a sudden, turn with how this looks. So I'll show you what it looks like just so you can know what I'm talking about. So I'll just demonstrate it. It's, again, 4 counts. I'm doing a regular Tcherkessia, so this is what it looks like. So, fun. 2, 3, bum, like that. Now for a 4-way Tcherkessia, you see this for a type of song that has a lot of repetition, but it feels the same, like through those, 4 beats of, or those 4 sections of 4 beats, because each one of those Tcherkessia takes up 4 beats. And it's not used very often, but this is how you do it. Okay, I'll face away from you so you can see what I'm doing. But if you do, just do the feet. My arms we can worry about later. And it's just a simple sweep up, sweep back, like you'll see in the regular Tcherkessia tutorial. So if you're facing into the circle, you just do a simple right Tcherkessia in, and then back. And then when you pull back, your body is already facing the next natural way to turn. So that's where the next Tcherkessia is going to go. And then it pulls back. Now you're facing out of the circle, essentially. So then you go in, and then turn. And then go this way for the 4th Tcherkessia, and then you're facing back into the center again. Now, there are a lot of variations to the 4-way Tcherkessia, and can actually go the other way too, but I find that way is the most natural, because since when you come back, your body's already pulling to the right, so rather than fight against that, go with it. But the most common way I've seen 4-way Tcherkessias is actually with one arm and going the other way. So this is what that type looks like. So if you go like this, and then down, right, facing out of the circle, do that, and down, then number 4, and bring back. So don't be scared if the choreographer just happens to turn 90 degrees, and then again, and then again, and again. Just stay calm, just watch what he or she is doing, and if they're leading well, you won't get lost. I'll show you how to do the 4-way Tcherkessia and then the single arm Tcherkessia, which goes the opposite way. So, facing into the circle, and we're going to do arms. Now remember, for a regular Tcherkessia, it's just sweeping in when the right foot steps forward, and then down when the right foot steps back. So, we're going to go, let's see, like this, facing into the circle. We're going to do forward, and then when you pull back, you're going to go Tcherkessia to the right. So, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward, and then side, and then forward, and then back. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kind of do a ball change instead of bringing your right foot back up, because once you've done the Tcherkessia, your feet are already in place basically. So you just change your weight basically. So you just do the right, and then right, left, right, forward, right, left, right, right, left, forward, right, left, forward. I'm going to keep going and you go with me until we've finished the rest of the circle. Right, then right, then up, bum, bum, bum. So that is a 4-way Tcherkessia. Now I'm going to show you the other way, which is the single arm and going the opposite way. So typically this type of move is for like an introduction for a song. That's very steady, very slow, and very meditative too. But again, choreography can be different for everybody. Choreography can be different for every song that you come across. So, but I just want you to be comfortable with doing a particular move kind of in place in all 4 directions. So I'm going to call this the 4-way reach, basically. So it's turning the opposite way, but it's still the same idea. So you start with the right foot again, and you start by going in and then together. Now, again, our movements may change from song to song, but this is basically what it looks like. So if I'm facing into the circle here, typically, if you step in with the right foot, just your right arm reaches up, and then when you come back, you're facing clockwise in the circle, and you bring whatever it is you're grabbing to you. So when you go up for that pivot reach thing, your body already starts to turn where it's supposed to go next. So you reach, your body's already turning, bring it down to you, then reach up in the direction you're facing, and then come back, do number 3, and then down, up, just like that. So we're going to do that a couple of times all the way through, so you can do it with me, so you can get comfortable with that type of dance move. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, bring down, right, bring down, up. All right, do it all again. Right, together, right, up, and one more reach, and then bring down. So that is the 4-way reach. Thank you for watching this Cherkessia dance tutorial video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to put them in the comment section below or send me an email. I would love to hear from you. Now, if there's a Cherkessia that I have not put into this Cherkessia series, please let me know. I would love to make a video for you explaining how to do it. And if there's a type of Cherkessia that I did not put into this Cherkessia series, please let me know. I want to make sure that you are comfortable on the dance floor with every type of Cherkessia possible. I want you to be the best that you can be. So thank you for watching, and until next time, go forth in the dance.